friends, welcome to aptitude classes. Friends, now in this lecture video we are going to discuss concept of partnership punches. So far we have discussed the introduction to partnership punches and we did sums on what is the share of profit, and we did sums on ratio of time period. Friends, now let me go through withdraw model, which is withdraw model. Friends, what is meant by withdraw model? Withdraw means it means it refers to taking. Right or no, friends? It refers to taking. Withdraw means it just refers to taking. Friends, in earlier case, what are the sums we did? A, for example, A and B are there. A invested, let me think, for 5,000, and B investing 6,000, and time period for 12 months, and this is also for 8 months. We will get the ratios 5 into 3 is to 6 into 2, 5 is to 4. Let me assume that total profit is 2,700. So 9 parts now, so 9 parts equal to 2,700, 1 part equal to 3,000. Therefore A share is 5%, so 15,000. B share is 4%, so 12,000. So earlier case we have discussed problems on these that friends, in earlier cases. In the last 2 lecture videos we discussed problems, and we discussed concepts in this. Now what is withdraw case? Now we are going with withdraw case. Now we'll be going with withdraw case. What is withdraw case? Friends, see, let me assume that a 2 persons are there. Let me assume that A is 1 person, B is 2 person. He's investing 5,000. He's investing 5,000 and B is investing 6,000. Okay, friends. After 8 months, let me assume that after 8 months, what is doing now? He's taking 2,000 out of 5,000. After 8 months, he is taking 2,000 and investing 3,000. Right on, friends. If I take 2,000 now, after 8 months, this is also 8 months. Let me take the time period for 8 months. Up to 8 months, he is investing 5,000. He is investing 5,000. He is investing 6,000. But after 8 months, what he is doing now? He is withdrawing 2,000 from every month. He is withdrawing 2,000 from every month. Then 3,000 will be invested for how many months? Out of 12 months, 8 months, or no, for 4 months. But what he is doing now, he is investing 1,000 more. He is adding 1,000 to his investment. It means 7,000 for 4 months. Right or no, friends? 7,000 for 4 months. What I am going to tell you now here is, see friends, initially he should get some profit for this. Profit is equal to I into T now. I into T now. So 5 into 8, he'll be getting some profit. Here also he'll be getting some profit. Let me assume this profit is P1 and this profit is P2. And now what he's doing after 8 months, he's changing his investment now. He's changing his investment for 3,000. He's taking 2,000 for every month now. For 1 month he's taking 2,000 and investing only 3,000 for 4 months. Then definitely the profit will be changed now. From this P1, definitely the profit will be changed. Let me this as P3. Let me this profit as P3, and this also he is adding 1,000 for every month now, so that he is investing 7,000 for every month. Okay now, so that this profit will be more. This profit will be different now. So that for this certain time period, you will be getting P1 profit. For this certain time period, you will be getting P3 profit. For this certain time period, you will be getting P2 profit, and for this certain time period, you will be getting P4 profit. For total profit of B is how much? P1 plus P3. Total profit for B is how much? P2 plus P4. Right on, friends. What I'm telling you that, let me assume there are 2 persons, I1 and B1. He is investing I1 for time period T1, plus he is investing I3 for time T2. He is investing I2 investment for T2 period, plus he is investing I4 investment for T4 time period. The profit of A is equal to I1 T1 plus I3 T3, I2 T2 plus I4 T4. This is the withdraw case, friends. Withdraw case will be discussing something. I think you get the point, because here definitely the profit will be different now from this. Here you will get more profit, here you will get less profit, here you will get less profit, but here you will get more profit because he is investing 1,000 more now. So definitely the profit will be shared now. The profit will be different now. So I think you got the concept what I'm going to tell. So this is withdraw model. We'll discuss a few problems so that we'll get clarity on this, friends. See friends, I'm having one question. This is previous SSC question, which is very basic question. Don't worry about this one. See friends, A and B started a business investing Rs 3000 and 4000. After 8 months, A withdraw 1000 from business, whereas B advanced Rs 1000 into the business. Find the share of A in total yearly profit of 6300. See what he is telling now friends. There are two persons which are A and B. A is investing 3000 for 8 months. Right now friends, he is investing 3000 for 8 months. And B is investing 4000 for 8 months. What is telling, after 8 months A withdraw 1000. After 8 months he is withdrawing 1000 rupees. For every month he will be withdrawing 1000 rupees. Now then how much he is investing? He is investing 2000. 2000 for 4 months. What is doing B? What is doing? And B advance Rs 1000 into the business. He is putting 1000 into his investment, so that he will be investing 5000 for remaining 4 months. So what is the profit here? We'll be taking ratios. Therefore here the profit is, friends, you just take the ratio and we'll be getting what we'll be getting after multiplying this profit. We'll be cancelling each other. This 4000, 3000, 1000 it cancels each other. So 24 is to 32 and 8 is to 20. We'll be getting 8 is to 13 friends. The profit is 8 is to 13. So total parts how much? 21 parts now. 18 plus 13, 21 parts now. So this is yearly profit of both A and B. What he given? The profit is of 6300 now. Therefore one part is equal to how much? 300 now. A's share is how much? Is asked A's share now. A's share is how much? 8 parts now. So 8 into 3 how much? 8 into 300, which is nothing but 2400. So therefore A's share is 2400. Friends, I think you get the concept. This is the profit for 8 months, and this is the profit for 8 months, and this is the profit for next 4 months, and this is the profit for next 4 months. So I did like this. I just took the ratio between the profits and I added this. I got 21 parts, but given that in question the yearly profit is 6300 now. Therefore 21 parts is equal to 6300. One part is equal to 300. Therefore A share is asking in question. The A share is how much? 8 parts now. So one part is 300. 8 parts is 2400. Friends, in the same way, let me go through a second question. Which is same. Different. P and Q started a business investing Rs 9000 and Rs 12000 respectively. After 6 months, Q withdraw half of his investment. Find share of Q in profit if P gets Rs 8000 as his share after a year. See friends, this is very different question. It is a different question from the previous question. You just read the question once again. P and Q started a business investing Rs 9000 and 12000. There are two persons, P and Q. He invested 9000 for. See, he haven't given any time period now. They will be taking 12 months. Is 2, and Q is investing 12,000 now. So 12,000 for how many months? For only 6 months. Because what is telling, after 6 months Q withdraw half of his investment. Right or no friends? Half of his investment means he is investing 12,000 for 6 months, and after 6 months he is withdrawing half of its investment. Now what is half of 12,000? 6,000 now. So 6,000 for next 6 months. 6,000 for next 6 months. So you take the ratio. What will be getting? 9 into 12. 108,000 is to you'll be getting 6,000 will be taking. No, so what will be having here? Ratio will be, after taking ratio will get 108,000. So what it all now? If P gets Rs 8000, what it all? P gets 8000. Right or no friends? You take just take what you'll take ratio. You'll take what will be getting? Which is 1:1 now, which is same now, which is 1:1. So P gets 8000. It told that P gets a share of 8000. What is P share? One part now. So one part is equal to 8000. If P gets 1000, then Q's part is how much? One part now. So definitely it is also 8000. Right or no friends? Because see friends, right or no, have you got the concept? I think you got the concept. If you don't worry friends, you just go through this, because no need of correct explanation here, because it's a direct question. You can see this. It's a direct question. You'll get it once you revise the question. Friends, let me go through one of the important question, which is very important question, and it is very important question in partnership. These type of questions is very important. They will be asking frequently how to solve these type of questions. Once will this is very very important. These questions will be asking for gate, cat, and so many examinations, so you be careful while solving these type of problems. Why it is very it's not difficult, it's just a logic. Using of logic is important here. So what I'm going to tell you now, see this, read the question. A and B started a business investing Rs 200 and Rs 2400 at the end of every month. See, at the end of every month, this is very important. At the end of every month, he advances Rs 200. For every month he is advancing 200 into the business, and whereas B withdraws Rs 200 from the business. Find the share of in total real profit of 36,000. See friends, initially there are two persons, who is A and B. Investment, what is investment? In first month he will be investing 2000 for 1 month. Now he is investing 2400 for 1 month, and for second month what he told, he is advancing 2000 now. Therefore he'll be for next 1 month, he'll be in next 1 month he is advancing 200 now, therefore 400. And for third month he'll be adding 200 now, he'll be getting 600. So on. For 12 months he'll be adding 2400. Right or no friends? For first month he is investing 200. For second month he'll be adding 200 now, therefore 200. For third month he'll be adding 600 now. Add for 12 months, we'll be getting 2400. Now come to this case. For first month he is investing 2400. For second month he'll be taking 200 now. So what will be here? 2200 for in second month, and he is taking 200. What is having 2000 for in third month. Like this, after 12 months he will be investing only 200. For 12th month he will be investing only 200. Right or no friends? Because he will be taking 2000 now, 200 now, sorry, not 200 now. So friends, you get the concept. Did you get it? I think you'll be somewhat difficult. You'll be facing some difficulty here. No, don't worry, no difficult. See, guys, initially A is investing 200 in first month. B is investing 2400 in first month. According to the question, what is telling now? For every month, 2 is investing 200. So in second month he'll be investing 400. In third month he'll be investing, because we are adding 200 now. Like that we are adding 200 to 1, and 12th month what you will be getting 2400 in 12th month. Like this, in this same case we'll be removing 200 for every 1 month. Right or no friends? For every 1 month. See, I should get profit here now. Profit here. What is profit? How will you get profit? See friends, 1 2 3, what is this value? 6 now. Definitely 1 2 3, this value also 6 now. If I do this now, I'll be getting 200 here, I'll be getting 400 here, I'll be getting 600 here, I'll be getting 200 here, I'll be getting 2400 here, I'll be getting 2400. This is like see, this 1 2 3 is like this one, this 1 2 3 is like this one. Adding is nothing but we'll be getting same value now. So I'll be getting same value. What might be that value? It is same value. If let me think, you will be getting 5000, this also 5000. So the ratio will be 1:1 now. The ratio will be 1:1 now. Right or no friends? So 1:1 means total how many? First 2 parts now. So 2 parts, you given yearly profit of 36,000. Right or no friends? So one part will be equal to 18,000. One part equal to 18,000. So A share is how much? One part only now. One part means 18,000. This share is B share is one part now. There definitely it will be equal to 18,000. Right or no friends? See friends, in this question, one important note point is what is the note point? Always there will be multiplication of 12 between A and B. See friends, always there will be multiplication between A and B. See, 200 into 12 how much? 400 na. 400 into 12 how much? 22,000 na. 600 into 12 how much? 2,000 na. What na? Because 12 months, for every year we'll be having 12 months now. Therefore there will be a multiplication of 12 between A and B. If they give 100 now, definitely they'll be giving here into 12, which is nothing but 1200. If we give 50 now, definitely it will be 12, which is nothing but 600. Friends, you are getting the concept. Always there will be a multiplication 12 between these two. Friends, this question is very very important. You just go through once again. If you are having any doubts, you just put it in comment box. I'll clarify it. Don't worry. I think you get the concept because it's a very easy, but just it's a logic here. This is the logic which is here. Friends, let me go through another concept. I will be ending this partnership and shares with this lecture, with this concept. See, friends, there are two types of partners. One is active partner and another is sleeping partner. You might ask me what is active partner, what is sleeping partner. You might know this, but let me tell once again. Active partner means he will be working for the business. He'll get salary. Sleeping na, he will not work, and he won't get any salary also. But what sleeping partner na, if you get profit 13,000, let me think, if you getting 30,000 profit na, he'll get salary from this 13,000, but he will not get salary from 13,000. Let me tell me that these two are investing, they got a profit of 2:3, so which is nothing, 5 parts is equal to 13,000. So one part is equal to something we'll get na. What is out of this 13,000, let me, he is working na, he should get a salary na. Let me think that he is getting a salary of 1,000 rupees. Then what is the total profit? He should get a salary of 1,000 na. Now the profit is 12,000 only, because he will be getting salary from this profit na. Therefore one part is equal to something we will be getting na. Among them we will be sharing this. So A's part is 2 parts na, B's share is 3 parts na. So that we will be distributing this. Friends, are you getting the concept? This salary, from where will be given the salary? The salary will be given from profit itself. See, for sleeping case, if in business, if he gets profit na, then sleeping partner will get a profit. If we didn't get any profit na, then he will not be getting any money, but salary will be given. Either you will get profit or loss. Definitely the person who is active partner should definitely get a salary, but a sleeping partner will not get salary, will get only profit, but active person will get both salary and profit. Let me think that profit, profit equal to 20,000. If I get a profit of 20,000, let salary of active be 2,000. This 2,000 should be taken from this profit only. Then what is the total profit? 18,000 it seems. Right or no, friends? It is 18,000 itself. I think you get the concept, friends. Please try to remember this. This is very important. Now let me go through one of the sum, and we'll be ending this session with this lecture video. With this lecture, we'll be ending partnership and shares. See, friends, A and B are partners in a business, and they invested Rs 20,000 and 30,000. After a year, they got a profit of Rs 15,000. See, friends, A, B are there. They're investing 20,000 and 30,000. And 12 months is a time period. Investment, this is 12 months, which is nothing but 1:1, because 12 will cancel 1:1. Therefore, what is the profit? 2:3. 2:3 na. See, profit is 2:3. What it told, yearly profit of 15,000 na. So 5 parts is equal to 15,000. 5 part equal to 15,000. See, friends, total profit is 15,000. Profit here is 15,000. And one more question in this. See, if A gets 10% profit as a salary, if A gets 10% of profit, this is profit na. In this profit, definitely A should get 10% profit. What is 10% of 1500? 10% of 1500 is 10% of 15,000 is 1500. So A will be getting a salary of 1500 rupees. Right or no, friends? Then if 1500 rupees is we are taking 1500 rupees and 15,000 rupees. What is the profit now? The profit here is 13,500. Right or no, friends? So what is the total profit? 5 parts equal to 13,500 now. 13,500 now. So one part is equal to how much? 2,700. What is A share? A share is 2 parts now. So 2 parts is nothing but 2 into 2,700, which is nothing but 2 into 27, which is nothing but 5,400. 5,400. And what is B share? 3 parts now. So 3 into 2,700. What is asking the question? Find the profit and salary of A together. So what is the profit of A? 5,400, and the salary of A is 1,500. So 5,400 plus 1,500 which is nothing but 6,900. So profit and salary of A is 6,900. Friends, I think you get the concept, you got the question. Friends, this is very important questions. Only these are the models there in partnership and shares. You just go through all my lecture videos on partnership and shares, because partnership and shares is very small topic, but we'll be getting more questions based on partnership and shares. Thank you, friends. With this, the partnership and shares is finished. I think I covered all the problems in a short span of time. I think it is very useful to you. Please follow the lecture videos, because friends, we are not having enough time to cover the aptitude classes, because due to this lockdown we are unable to attend the classes. So this might be useful to you. So use the time, use the lecture videos, practice the sums. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Definitely I'll solve and keep you the solution. Thank you, friends. Please follow the lecture videos. Thank you.